my critters. Find a shiny pebble and a cozy branch, because we're getting chaotic. Today, we're going to build a den in the woods, because, yeah, extra side quests, if you want them, guys. Excuse you. Ooh. Look. Little plants. I actually don't know what these are. Can someone tell me what these little things are? Because this isn't an apple tree, I know. At least I think. But there's a big yellow one. I mean, there's a lot of sticks over there. Oh, also, there is a corn maze actually over here. I come out here from time to time. This isn't a pathway or private property, so don't worry, I got permission for all this. But it's a giant corn maze. A whole bunch of corn. I wonder if anything's growing. Nope. They're still growing, but it's nice to like walk back here. So come with me doing that. Rah. I'm gonna build the den I said in a second. I just want to explore this place a bit more. I've only been near the corn maze a little bit of time, like a few, 2 or 3. Do you hear that? Nature. I'm so sorry. You're getting flashbanged by the sun through the trees. This is a good stick. Oh, yeah, it's a really good stick. Call this a branch, actually. I don't know. Here, hold on. Let me. There, stick. This would be good. Ooh, more stick. Oh, that has a root on it. Oh, it looks like these died off. Aw, poor plants. More stick. Collection of sticks. Ooh, what's that? That looks strange. I don't want to touch it. I'm pretty sure it's nothing. Might just be like corn or something. Looks like maybe dried up corn. I don't know. Gotta grab our 2 sticks and find a good place to build our stick. Our sticks from over there near the corn maze to over here. I would put it near those trees, but there's a lot of poison ivy. We don't like those, Kays. But I found this big tree. Oh, let me just walk over here. Big tree. It has a whole lot of vines on it, if you guys can see. Lots of vines. Woo, it's a very tall tree. I never climbed this tree because I'm not a climber, guys. Oh, what's that? Treasure? Nope. Glass. Well, that's not good for the environment. We're just gonna go throw that away. Hold up. I got the glass. We're gonna go throw this away. Should go. Do. It's very bright outside. My idea is that I'm gonna have to get more sticks than these 2. I'm thinking I'm gonna take those and like put them up against the tree to make like a tent kind of thing. Another stick. Okay, it's a little shorter, but it's a good stick. Another tree, guys. Look, there's a bird. I'm gonna see if I could get a little closer. I don't want to scare it though. Look at like how tall this grass is. Hold on. This would be good for quadrupeds. Bird. Someone tell me what kind of bird that is. It's a beautiful guy. Bird. It's just so lively over here. Tall grass. Bird. Anyway, I found another stick. Yoink. Add this to our collection. Stick. Love sticks. A stick I smell. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's trapped behind these trees. Okay, watch me struggle. Ta-da. I got it. We're gonna go add it to our collection. Stick. Okay, these are a lot of sticks, but I think I'm gonna like break this one in half because it's like really, really long. Woo. I am not strong enough. I am not that strong, guys. But I guess we're gonna try now to get our den. Oh, snap. The den so far, we're definitely gonna need more sticks. That stick, and it didn't really do much of a difference, but time for more sticks. Probably should have put on bug spray before I did this. I'm getting bitten. I don't think you could see it, but I'm gonna go put on bug spray really quick. Okay, I just got back from putting on bug spray. Time to find more sticks. Honestly, this looks like a pretty good den. I found another stick. Sure, it's not fully complete, but in my opinion, a pretty good house.